So tell me one Haitian word. Leave me with a Haitian word today.
Ça passe.
So we are drive past some place and we see Haitian flags flying proudly. Yes, today is Haitian flag day. And you don't know our Caribbean brother and sister, so we have to stop by and share the Jamaican love. Zin, so the boss I wave the Haitian flag. So make we find out little about 80 people cause me don't want to underestimate them. My brother, why are you proud to be a Haitian?
Proud to be Haitian because the first black that get independence.
First Caribbean country to get independence. So remember that. At them start the revolution. So tell me one Haitian word. Leave me with a Haitian word today.
Ça passe.
Ça passe. Naboule. Haiti, big up on yourself. So what does that mean?
Ibuna, how you doing?
What's up?
What's up?
What's up? So in Jamaica, we say wagwan. Yeah, we say big up yourself. Yeah. You don't know one Caribbean, one love. So for all of the Asian people them living in Brockton, Massachusetts, that don't know what Brockton Caribbean shop sell, what kind of products do you supply to the Caribbean?
Brockton Caribbean Shop is not just a shop. It's a solution for the community. It's a solution for any Caribbean people. You need medicine, you need herbs, we have it. Outfits, you need help with paperwork, we're here. We do everything. So it's a solution shop, I like to call it. So come check us out.
So this is not just a shop, this is a solution. You want to give us a tour of inside that we see all of the good up things them you sell?